Okay, now we go to the next topic, which is correcting CO line items. This is to correct the CO documents posted at the line items level. Let's do it now. I have already posted a document. Let me show you for this purpose. It is this 25, document 25. Let me show you what I have posted. I have credited cash in hand and debited other expenses, and it has generated the controlling document 201. Which is this. So let's correct this posting. Instead of posting to department 4, we posted department 3 using CO line items posting, correction posting, sorry, and see how it is different from the transfer cost between cost centers. Okay, let's do it now. To access this repost line items, you come here, accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, repost line items, enter. Choose the CO document which you want to correct, which is this, and execute. So we'll pull out the $100 which you have posted to the department 4 as a cost center. Now click this to change to department 3, change account assignment. Oh, the system says you need to assign a number range for business transaction RKU3 because this screen is going to trigger this business transaction and it requires a number range, otherwise you cannot generate the document. Okay, let's go and generate the number range. Alright. Okay, we have to go to controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain number ranges, sun controlling area, and go to groups, choose RKU3, repost CO line items, and choose this and press this so that the same number range will be used for CO repost CO line items. Save it. Now come back and change account assignment to department 3. So it has been changed. You can also directly change here. You can also change the posting date. We want to look at the old document row, the financial document linked to this CO document. Just click this so you can see the financial document, which is this, which is linked to the CO document. Now you can proceed to change. So let's see what kind of posting is going to generate. See, it has generated a posting, sorry, a CO document 202. Let us check what it contains. Let's save this, come back, and let us view the document that we have posted just now. We need to come to department 3. Let's go to information systems, reports for cost center accounting, choose the line items, CEO cost center line items, choose department 3 and execute. You can see the $100 over here. Which is this. Cost element. You can see the amount of $100 has been deducted from, you can see the minus sign here, so it is deducted from department 4 and credited into department 3. Alright, let's check this. This refers to the original financial document. So this adjustment CO document which is posted will be linked to the original FI document which is posted. Now let us look at the department 4. Department 4, what has happened to it? See, department 4, the amount of 100 has been deducted from department 4 and it is debited into department 3. So the difference between using this report is that under the manual reposting of costs, okay, you must understand the main difference between manual reposting of cost and reposting of CO line items, which is these two that we have done just now. Let me show you the difference. This the manual reposting of primary cost that we did using document 102. Can you recall this? We entered the department 1 and entered the new department and the amounts, but nowhere we have entered the original CO document that needs to be corrected. However, in the reposting of line items, we have entered, let me show you that. Let me keep this first and let me go to, let me open one more session. No problem with that. Okay. In the reposting of line items, we have entered the document number, which is the the CO document number, as a reference that needs to be corrected. So this is the main difference. Therefore, in this repos of line items, a reference is made to the original CO document, which is 101, to actually use it as a base document to be corrected. However, in the manual reposting of primary cost, we are not making reference to any original CO document. So what will happen is that in the manual reposting of primary cost, since you are not making reference to the original CO document, the system does not check the amount entered here will tie back the original CO document or not. In other words, even though the original CO document has got $1,000 posted in it, you can actually enter more than $1,000 here. More than $1,000. Let's say this is 500 and this is 700, so it will become 1,002, and the system will not going to check against the original CO document and throw an error. It will continue posting the 1,200. So therefore, the cost center balance will become negative. So when you transfer 1,200 from department 1, the department 1 balance will become negative 200, because what is in the original CO document for department 1 is only 1,000. let me explain this. Okay, let's look at the difference between manual reposting of costs and CO line items reposting. What is originally posted in department 1 is 1000, which has been reposted into 300 and 700 at different departments. So what I'm trying to say here is, since the system does not check against the original CO document which is posted, you can actually enter an amount more than 1000 when you're reposting. See this? Since you don't enter the original CO document, you can enter more than $1000. So the system will still proceed to accept it, and it will deduct an amount of 1200 from department 1, which will make the department 1 balance to become negative 200. How this is allowable in SAP is, I'm not saying this is wrong. For whatever reasons, if the business want to make corrections as such, they can proceed to do that. So technically or accounting wise is still correct. However, in CO line items reposting, this problem does not occur, because when you do the correction, when you post a correction, you have to make reference to the original CO document. Hence, you cannot post anything more than the amount of the original document. So this is the difference. If you attempt to post an amount more than the original document, the system will reject under the CO line items posting. This is the main difference between the manual reposting of costs and the CO line items reposting. But the commonality in both the approach is that the original FI document will not be corrected. The original accounting document will still remain the same. Let me show that to you. Over here, see, the original accounting document will still point to department 4, which is this. It doesn't point to department 3. Alright, so in other words, the FI and CO will be in what do you call that, will not be reconciled. But this doesn't mean that it's an error in accounting. FI and CO can be in what you call imbalance mode. There's nothing wrong in that.